Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now I am all packed and ready. We are going to Bora Bora with Tarte. You don't know how happy I am. Literally, like, it's so good to have a sister as an influencer because she got to go and now I'm her +1. Literally, like, I am all packed. Like, this is literally the suitcase. So this is the suitcase, right? And then this is the airport bit. We are ready for Bora Bora. Everything is packed and ready. Like, Bora Bora? Bora Bora? Like, I would have never thought. I'd be going to Bora Bora. I am so excited. Like, thank you, Gina. Thank you, Tarte. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay then guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Bye. Hi guys, so we just got to the airport, so we're now about to go check in. I'm so excited. Okay, I'll see you guys on the flight. Bye. So we're taking first class to Bora Bora. First we're gonna stop at LA and then to Bora Bora. I'm so excited. Yeah, same.
Show me. Downstairs. Yeah, come downstairs.
United flight heading to Los Angeles. As you're making your seat.
You want to compare? You're in a better position than they are. San Francisco flight, how the year is delayed because the pilots are stuck in.
I thought it was sparkling water.
Oh, you want water?
No,
Okay.
Yes,
That's sparkling wine.
Oh, I thought it was sparkling water.
No. Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Okay.
That's like, I'm gonna. You don't like it?
Are you at
I don't
least?
drink.
Are you? Oh, I'm so sorry.
No, you're good. I was like, this is not water.
Yeah, it's nasty, isn't it?
Yeah. This is water. You're bringing her water now.
What is that? I've already started.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn.
We landed.
We are dreamers of the shore.
So guys, we just got to LA and the hotel room. Look at the bathroom. It's so nice. Hi. Oh my god. It's like the Riz Hotel is amazing. Like, look at this. And then look, they have this thing for Gina. This looks delicious. Oh my god.
Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait.
Hi guys, and welcome back. So today is the day. We just got up, we just got dressed, took a shower, did everything. Now we're heading to the airport. Oh, it was a really nice day. I mean, it was a really nice night at the Coritan, and now we're going to Bora Bora. Thanks to Miss Influencer. Like, I am so excited. This is just, it's crazy. It is so crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the jet. Bye.
Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there.
Hi, I just wanted to introduce myself.
Oh, hi. I'm here. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm Hannah. Nice to meet
It's
you.
Hannah?
Yes.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
I've been sitting in the same room as everyone, but I haven't introduced myself, so.
No, that is so sweet. Guys, the private jet. The freaking private jet. This is insane. This is insane. Who would have thought? Who would have thought?
Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is.
This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. Look at that.
Wait, this is so cool.
Wow. So guys, we got some stuff. We're about to unbox it for you. I'm about to unbox it for you guys. This is insane. Yeah, a regular jet. Look at this. We got this.
Yeah. Okay, with the window. Okay, now we're in the
I mean, I always got the
aesthetic.
Nah, that's y'all, please. Wow, thank you so much. She was like, guys, we made it. This is insane. Like, why Bora Bora. I just need that audio. Save it. Yeah. Oh my God, people are like, look. They are literally. Yeah, they're there. They're there. Oh my gosh.
Welcome to Bora Bora.
Okay guys, so they're waiting for us to give us stuff. We're about to go now. Should we go? I think we should.
I forget. We're gonna go like get the stuff and then come back up.
Yeah, no, we're gonna come back up. Yeah. This is so exciting. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hi. Thank you so much. It's so. Oh my God! Wow, the camera just fogged up. Mine did. Oh, yours did? Yeah. The camera just fogged up, but we're fine. This is insane. Oh my God, even the clouds are clouding. We are in Bora Bora. This is insane. The camera is like fogging up. Yeah. This is insane. This is crazy.
Oh yeah.
Like, what? But we are following the guide to get in the boat to go to the private island. I don't even know how to spell private, but like this is insane. This is insane. It's like once in a lifetime opportunity. Like, I'm so excited. So excited. I'll see you guys there. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Oh my god. This is insane. Hi. Thank you. Wow, thank you. Like, it's so hot. They have faces of you guys. Yeah, they have faces of you guys. Yes. Is this you guys' face? Literally. Wait, is this pajama? Wow. Right, that's me. Wow. Guys, this is insane. Like, I look crazy because it's hot. They have pictures of us. Like, that's insane. Like, look at this. Wow.
Oh, you know, we should take a picture with her.
With who? Oh, yeah. Wow. You need the... This is insane.
I can't wait to
like,
go change. I am so
It is so hot. It is so hot. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I am so excited. I am so excited. This is speechless. I'm speechless. insane. Oh my god. What?
Hannah, look, there's 2 beds.
What? Wow. Wow.
Yo.
This is insane.
Hannah, they gave us more base beds.
Wait, seriously?
Yes.
What?
Oh my
This
god.
is insane.
No.
I cannot.
Oh my
Okay. Okay, Tarte, they did so good.
Crazy.
Yo.
The beach waiver.
They did so good. So guys, we're in Bora Bora. We actually just took a shower, got ready, and now we're getting ready for the pajama night. This is insane.
Yeah.
Like, never in a million years would we think that we'll be in Bora Bora with Tarte. Like, it's just crazy. It's so crazy.
But it's true.
But yes, I just washed my face. Yep. Now I'm about to put some like lotion and stuff on. And that is it. That's all I'm doing. This crayon is good, G.
Right? What color gum are you using?
It's just it is the peach shimmer glass. This is so nice. This is the Tarte peach shimmer glass. I don't even think you can see it because of the light, but it's tingly.
Yeah, it's a plumper.
Oh wait, the lips looks juicy. They're good. Okay, Tarte. Look, so clear skin, plumper, black pajama. We're ready. We're ready.
Okay, y'all. Yeah, it's so bright, but we are on our way, y'all. We are on our way to the pajama party. Hi, guys. You guys look cute. How are you guys? Good. Oh, this is so cute.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keep it.
Where you gonna go? Right? Oh, I was like, where did you go? Oh, wow.
Love unfold tonight, they'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud.
You see what you got me out here doing? Mighty threw me off, but can't nobody stop the move.
Cause girls is players too. It's time to do it. Like 17 people. Yeah. I'm like, yeah.
In motion, in
Is that the film?
Hi guys, and welcome back. So we are in Bora Bora. It is the next day, and like you could tell, we're with Tarte, you know, but we are getting ready to go to the spa, and then we have a pool party. That's why I have my bikini and my the tank top on, and after that we're gonna come back, get ready, and go to dinner. I will keep you guys updated. Bye. So guys, we're supposed to go literally to the spa, but we waited in the room for the cart, and the cart never came, and then it started raining. So now we're just in the beach party. It's so windy. It's crazy. But yeah, so we're just gonna go to the party. What'd you say? I don't even know. Oh yeah. This is insane. This is insane.
You know what's crazy? It's like it's like shortest right. No, my shortest right beside we're gonna drown.
Done take me all on red, it's a cold hole. Then you hit me late at night, it's a cold air. But you already know that, yeah. And I love it when you throw that, yeah. Shawty when you sold that, baby when you close that, yeah. Looking like a you be moving like a got me checking for you go nuts, yeah. Cupid told her keep calling. All of my feelings I'm all in. She be playing games, she's spotting. Always fade away, hesitate, keep crossing. Steady with the pivot like Jordan. I've been tryna run the place, she pausing. I've been tryna plan the day, she's stalling. Think she ain't ready for me. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments. Shawty's a delusional.
Let's go! You better beat her ass! Don't be smile! You lost her for me! What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys! Okay, let's go, let's go! Pick it up, ladies! Pick it up!
They're not making that.
Pick it up, pick it up!
So beware, she's scared of commitments. So beware, she's scared of loving me. So beware, she's scared of commitments.
Hannah, you hate us.
We have an amazing team here. We have like 20 Tarte team members who have been working really hard to celebrate you guys because you guys work so hard. So like we worked really hard for the last couple of months, but you guys work hard 365 days of the year. So for us, this is a thank you to you guys. And you guys are now our friends and family members, and we wanted to do a little something. And so we have a heart, because we love you guys. And we'd love for you to crack the heart with your friends and family members that you brought with you tonight. There's a little special surprise underneath. Enjoy!
Are you ready? Yeah, you can do it.
You might have to go hardcore. We made them girls since I wouldn't know.
Okay guys, so sorry. Hi guys, we are now on our way to the private island. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys there. Bye.
Yes. Oh no, actually.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I could flip a dollar to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. It's a new day, day's been new. Been a decade since I made it out of rental. We Simone's
Going literally with the stingrays and the sharks, like everyone's going in. So I'm gonna win. Oh, Hannah's going in. Look. Hannah is going.
They're right there.
I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. Picking up the slack, joining this prime way, I'm getting to the rack. I do what I want, when I want, where I want, no cap. Put in all work, now I'm getting to the back. 25-8, I got money on my mind. Live life great, but I'm always on the grind. Navy blue tank, I don't wear for the time.
But we just finished swimming with the sharks, and now we are on a private island. Ah! They're giving us coconut and stuff. Like, this is insane.
You're welcome.
Hi, sorry. Let me get my flower. Sophie.
Who is
thank
thirsty?
you.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, sorry, thank you.
So baby, throw my rollie in the sky.
Get ready for blast off.
Ball pointing cushy, so you know it's berserk. Trevor on
Just landed on a private island. Like, this is insane. Never in a million years would I thought that this will happen. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. They did a wow, this is literally a place to eat. That's insane. Guys, look. My face on the shot. Oh, this is insane. This is insane.
I might leave and wine, find a beach and go surf. I'ma ride the wave till I'm out of the surf. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dollar to $1 million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up.
Getting my hair done. This looks so good. Oh my god. No, this looks so
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down the
So we just finished getting ready. I actually got my makeup and hair done by the Tarte team. Everything they used on my face was literally like Tarte, like nothing else. And the lip combo, this is literally like my favorite lip to do. So they used the shimmery bright pink and the peachy shimmy glass on my lips. Like, look at this. It's given. So yeah, the theme of today's party or dinner is like pretty in pink. Ooh, it's giving too much, but yeah. Let me turn around so that you guys could see. Like, look at this. The blush is given. I look so cute. I really look so cute. Let me show you the dress. This is literally the dress. It's like given. It's given. Literally, so I got this dress from Fashion Nova, and it literally was not like flattering at all because it was just not sitting because of my boobs. So my mom literally took like a pink belt that she had and just put it on top of it. So that just looks like a holster top and is literally holding me in place. And yeah, this is the fit. I look so cute. And for my hair, I literally used like the beach wave curler to like curl the hair to like it's given. So but yes, I will try to like record more, but it's just so hard. It really is. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been seeing
turn the city up. I could flip a dime to a million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. It's a new day, days been new. Been a decade since I made it out of rent too. We some owners, baby, we don't got no rent due. My trick, but my wife feel like
Get ready with me content.
You're not gonna eat?
Nah, I'm gonna finish what I need to do.
Oh, no.
But I might need your help with one video.
Huh?
I might need your help with one video.
Let me eat though.
Oh yeah, after. I'm gonna finish my
so
makeup.
then, do you want me to put your food in the fridge after?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Or inside, cause I'll eat after, but just don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do 50.
You could do one that would just stare, you know. Okay. Okay. Oh, I like that one better.
It was 50.
I feel like we did a lot.
Behind the red, stop. Security, just in case follow. Just keep stop. Sign. Faster. Let's go, come on. Be careful. Slow down when I go down. Okay, no question?
No.
Ready, honey one? Honey two, ready?
Yes.
Honey three?
Honey 3, let's go, honey 3.
Okay.
You going? Yeah.
사실은
Y'all, it's the last night, the last dinner. Look at Hannah's dress and her hair. Ooh, the hair just ate. Ooh, Hannah, the hair is eating. The body. It's giving Kim K has come back on the island, babes. Island girl. Dominican girl. Island girl. Yes, y'all. As you can see, we're just so like happy. We had such a good sister moment. Sister time. We had so much fun. So yeah. Wait. We actually did it. No. We've actually been hanging out. Yeah.
You're coming so far, taking time out of your busy schedules, leaving kids, pets, responsibilities, all of the things. You guys are so busy. So just come here and spend time with me, with us, each other up every second. I've heard people talking about what app do you use for this, what resource to use for that. And that's what I just love. It's Women's Month. It makes me so happy to hear you guys just helping each other out, because that's what we do. And in the spirit of that, I want team. Because like I said, everything they do. I mean, you know, people always ask me like, wow, you know, Tarte is so incredible. It's amazing what you've done. And I always stop them and say, it's not what I've done, it's what we've done. You know, I very early on learned quickly that I couldn't do it alone, and that there are so many things that I'm not good at. And so I surrounded myself with people that were amazing at the things that I was not good at, and a lot of them are here today. So thank you to all of you guys, and let's give it up for the Glam Squad, because Donna, I mean, come on, unbelievable. You're amazing. And then Lauren, who is so smart, so incredible. She is texting with each and every one of you when you need an Advil or anything, a massage, or, you know, a transfer.